Okay, I'll share my screen now. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can see it.
All right, all right. Let's continue. So we'll start. We'll stop. We'll start from where we stopped last time. Um, so I want to show you something. I don't have the folder of what we have been working on my system right now. So I intentionally delete it from my system so that if any one of you are on this repo to pull it, let me quickly. What's the name? What's the name? Okay, boot what? Boot camp, right? Okay, boot camp 5. Good. Now, what I want to do now is just to clone it. I want to put it on my system. Just follow the process. Look at how I'm doing it. So just click on code. Then you now copy the URL. When you copy the URL, you take it to your terminal or your VS Code. You just copy this URL, this URL, just copy it here. Then and I go to my terminal. So this is my terminal. So I will now cd desktop. CD desktop because I want to put it to desktop. So now I say git clone. Then I paste that URL and I click enter. So it's cloning it now. I'm bringing it to my system. Done. So now it will be on my system. Look at it. This is it here. This is the file here. It wasn't here before. Now let's go back. Now I want to open this in VS Code. How do I do that? First, I need to open this file called bootcamp 5. I will now say cd bootcamp 5, then enter. That open. Then for me to open it in VS Code, I need a command called code space dot, then enter. This will open it in this will open it in VS Code for me. Can you see now it's coming up? The VS Code is coming up. Do you see it now? Fine. It has come up. So this make me to communicate using what? Command. Now this is what we have been doing. What we want to do, what we did last time is authentication authorizations and how to connect with MongoDB. How to connect with our database. Now, this is our database, this is connection. We have done it already. So if you are not on this repo, I will connect. Just send me your email so that I can add it to this repo. Then you can clone it and play with it on your system, right? Then this is how that be connected. Then this is our controller model route, right? Now, one thing I want you to know is this. Now, since I've cloned it, let me open the terminal. I've opened the terminal. Since I've cloned it, now our package JC, this is our package JC. It won't work except we install all these packages, all these dependencies, right? So, like, let this terminal come up. So we need to install them. What's the command? You just use npm install. Npm install. When you say npm install and enter, it definitely to definitely install all the package in that packages, right? So let's see. Come on, faster now. It's updated. So let's look at logic here. User login, which is authentication. First, before you can log in, you need to create accounts. You have this is our payload, you have full name, email, password, and address. Then when you sign up, the next when it's successful, the next is to log in, right? After login, then you can do other things that you want to do. But for now, you only authenticate, sign up, and log in. Then in your model, this model, this is how you arrange your payload, full name, email, password, address in your database. And this route is just a route that connects you to your server. According to your server. And this server is main entry point. This server is main entry point from the client side. So now let's install. Or for instance, let's say what we have here. Look at this thing very well before. What do we have? We have what? npm start. So we now make it so now said npm what's in the script start. So let's start it. There will be an error. What caused the error? Who can tell me what caused the error? Because there will be an error. It's still coming up. Do you see it now? There's an error. What caused it? So the error we are seeing here is because look at it. Let me read let's see the error. See now. It said cannot find module express because you have not installed what these guys. So let's do that now. So let's key the terminal. Then we now install. You now say npm install. I keyed it. Npm. I'll just use I. I is npm install. That I means install. So it's coming up. You still install those packages or dependencies. Let's wait for it to complete. Before we can do another thing.
Sir, we can't hear you again. No.
Okay. Can you hear me now? How about now?
Okay, we can hear you now.
All right.
I can hear you now.
Yeah. Can you see my screen because I'm storing those dependencies. So without those dependencies being installed, we can't start the app. So let it install finish. So after that, then we now start the app. You can see it now that it's still installing from here. Do you see it? So it will complete in the next few minutes. Okay, yeah, it's done. So now let's start again. It will say it will start now to connect. Yeah, it's coming up. Okay, yeah, it's coming up. Yes, can see it's run. Say Express server is run on port 60. So I'm trying to make use of our internal documentation to that client to test this app. So when it comes up, then we use it to test the app, whether it's working or not. So what we have done so far. So after this, so has come up. Let's create new one. Let's create a new one. So first, let's start from server. We have we have our route connected to this server. Then this is our version. This line 23. Let's pick it. Before we pick it first, oh, we have to go back. Before you pick it, let's start from here. Let's start from here. Our basic URL. Let's start from our basic URL, which is H, HTTP, which is H, which is HTTP colon slash localhost localhost then colon 6800 abi 6800, yes, it's there already. So we have it, then 600, then our body. What we have in this place, let's copy it. I see now I want to do test. Do you see it now? Then column, curly brace, open your curly brace, open and close, enter it, then paste. Then you now just be watching how I'm doing the documentation and the testing. Then the full name, let's see, let's put Emmanuel. Emmanuel. O- Okay, okay. Then the next one, email, email. Let's say Emmanuel. Okay, 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 okay. At your at yopmail.com. Then the password. Then the password. The password. That's okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Then the address, or what should I use? Let's use my address. Um, my address 23 Albert Macaulay. Albert Macaulay Way. Yaba, Lagos. Okay, and I'll format it. Everything is okay. Then remember, what we are using here is create. And when you get to this guy here, register. What we use here, what? Our get method, our method is what? Post. You make use of post in this place. Do you see it? Then now our server is running. Let's send it. Let's see the outcome. Okay, we are logging in, not look at it. So to be what? Register, not login. So to be what? Register, not login. So I register, not login. So let's log in. So look at the response. So we have successfully created this account, right? And we have this password. Now, if I want to log in with the same password, what? Let's look at it. In our controller, we have for login, we only have what? Password and email. So that means we are making use of what? Only the password and email for us to log in. So for us to log in, I change this register to login. You actually use the same method, which is post. So you have logged in now successfully. But if I made a mistake, if there's a wrong password, it is successful. All is saying as invalid word credentials because of what? Wrong password. Right password. This is now very fast. This is authentication. Now, there's one thing I want to show you. Look at this password. It's plain. It's not secure. Anybody, the hackers, if you don't secure it, hackers they can see it and make use of it to log into your account. How do we make it secure our password? So now let's do it in our logic. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So let's do it in our
Yes, sir.
logic. Yes. First, when you are creating your account, you need to hash your password. You need to hash your password. How do you do that? We need this third part framework called Bigrigs. Bigrigs. So I'll kill the terminal now. I will install it. So npm install Bigrigs. Call it big. No, let me kill it. This one has been deprecated. The latest one is Bigrid JX. This latest one. The old ones are what? So here now, I will import it. I will call it. Pages. JS. JS, yes. Not capital letter, so small letter. So now, before it's okay, now it's fine. It has. What are you loading? Now we now come here to put that. Now say cons hash hash. Let's say hash because I want to hash this password. Now say cons hash password. This is now. Then hash. I'll now replace this normal password to hash password. This is now hash password. Now let's try to create another account again. Now, or if I'm to use this one, register, register abi. Oh, let me start my server. Server is not running, so that's why I give that error. npm start, npm start. There's an error. What is the error? This is how to debug. Oh. We are debugging something. What's an error? Say import cannot use imports outside word module. So this is my error. This is what mistake I made. I will show you. I cannot use imports instead of, because I want to use what? Cons, not imports. Understand? So I now say cons big. My spell is it coming up? Repeat equal to require open brackets double quotes. What again? Repeat. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Let's see the error. What's the error again? You give me another error again. Let's see the error again. I think should be working fine now. So when it comes up, let's register. Okay, it has connected successfully. Then let's click register. Say this email is already exist. Do you see now? And I know why I did this. I didn't touch this email because always always validate if this user, look at this is where error is coming from. You as a backend engineer, you are the one that will instruct the system to do that for you. He said exist, check if email exists in our database. If that means that this user is exists in our database, if it exists, it should not register again. Instead, it should direct him to go and log in. I will say another word. You can say your email exists. Please use another name to register, or what? Or login. Or login. Email exists. Please use another email or login. Let's see it now. This you are the one that will write all these languages, all these words. You are the one that command that will tell them what to do. Let's see. Maybe that thing what I write now will come up. It's still loading. So let's come up. Okay, it has connected. Then let's remember our database. Let's see it again. Use it now. Email exists. Please use another email or login. Now let's use another email too because we are just doing something like on password. Let's use only Emmanuel Low to register. The same password, but you see the outcome now because we have what? Hash the password. This is the password now. We have hash it. Because we have hash it, just look at it now. Do you see it? It doesn't come in plain text. Do you see it? It doesn't come in plain. This make your password secure. At same time, I want to show you another thing. This password that we encrypted can be decrypted also. Because if hacker has access to this and they take to the way they can decrypted it, understand, they'll get what you write in that place. But instead, let's add it so that nobody will see that password. What we do next is that we now say just one line of code, we add it for us. I will say I will say new user. Look at this definition here. This is what you just pick. New user dot password yeah, equal to dot password. It is my AI that is delaying those things. So you want to read what I'm trying to, so that they help me out. You just delay my this thing so that you help me to. It's my AI. Understand? We were just reading what I'm trying to do so that it give me the end answer or the expected answer. So now you can see now new UI dot password equal to undefined. Let's try to. Okay, my server is coming up. You do come with this payload again, this password. If I'm trying to register, you do come with this payload again. Let's see. Someone want to join. Let me quickly admit this guy. Okay, yes, come on. So now let's send it again. Say the email exists, right? Please use another email, or let's use another email to test that password we did now. Let's put a name. Then let's send it again. Just that the password doesn't come with it. We have hashed it and same time we had it. Use it now. This this make your code more secure. That these hackers they cannot easily access if they get the email, they can see the email, but they don't know the password. Now let's try to log in. Let's try to log in. Let's use only the password and the email. So doing that, we change this one to login. We change it to login. Then let's log in now. Something will happen. There will be an error. There will be an error. Invalid what? Credentials. Invalid credential. Why? It's correct now. Abi, who can tell me why? But it's correct. We didn't change anything, but it's correct. Why is it invalid? Emmanuel, try. What make it invalid? Why?
Is it
Eh?
because you changed the password to undefined?
No. It's not because of that. Who can try? There's something that I will have not. Just a minute. Ayo, I will call you back. I will call you back in next 30 minutes. Okay? Yeah, sorry for that. Okay. Who can try?
Yes, I was saying probably because we changed the password to undefined.
No. That's not the cause.
Uh,
That's not the cause. Who can try? Okay, let's go there. Now, we did something where we are trying to log in, right? Which we asked our password. We asked our password, right? So now, system is expecting this hash password when we want to log in. Before it was plain and it was successful, right? But this time around it's not plain. Our database is expecting hash password, not plain password. You understand? Now let's try to hash the script. Now we hash it, abi. Now we descript the password and send it to the backend, to the database, that this is what we are expecting. Please, if it is correct, release to us. Do you understand? Now let's try to do that. Let's compare our password. Now we are sending only plain password to another base, email and password. This one just plain. Do you understand? Let me show you. Let's say console log. This is how to debug too. This my AI delay my job, abeg. Dot password. Just want to show you that we're only sending only plain text. We don't hash it. Let me show you. Let's don't delay my job. I don't want to. Let's send it again. Do it now. We're only sending what? Plain what? test. And meanwhile, we have hashed it before. When we are registered, we have hashed that this password. Now let's correct it. It now say, left this one. Let's say then it now say Brickrit compare compare password. I'm not hashing. I'm compare password. Please compare what password. Okay, you have helped me out so that it will be faster. This is now that I'm trying to compare this password credentials. It's correct now. What is the spelling? Credential. Okay, thank you. Now look at it. Bigcrit compare the password that is coming. We compare them and send it. If it's not correct, it is what there's one thing that it may want to. If it's not correct, you should send it back. What is that? What's that? It remain one line of code. I'm expecting. Just a minute. Let me send it. User is not defined. That's what I want. Okay. Const user equal to await user capital letter u dot find one. This is my AI. It just confusing. It's confusing me. Find one. Number one, email. Spell is correct. Email, comma. Then our password. Password. Yeah, now. No. You're confusing me. Yeah. Compare password. User dot compare password. If yes, then we continue. I want to cancel this AI. You're confusing me now. Compare this password. User dot password. Yes, if it is correct, you put it there. Where's my user? Oh, sorry. It's new user here. Sorry. There should be new user, not user. Oh, now, if this guy is correct, continue. If if wait now. Simple as ABC. Why are you confusing me? Are you looking at it? this my AI, we always fighting because whatever I'm writing, it repulse me and it begin to control me. I don't want it. Okay, we are good. Compare password. This is it. Is it not correct? This is it. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we are good to go. Yeah, fast, fast. Cannot access user before initialization. Yes. So we are trying to debug. What is the error? We cannot access before initialization. So this password that is called me, where is user? This user, where is it coming from? Yes, this user, where is it coming from? This it now. Where this user is coming from? So now said, let me read this guy. Comes user, yeah. So now if this guy is correct now, we are going to remove this one and you are not thinking. So we are going to remove this one. Now, if this email is correct and found it, we now compare it, the password that is coming, this password and this password. By the time, yes, let's try it again. So this is the password. Can you see now? This is because we have what? We have this description. Now compare it. If this thing, this password, this plain password, and by the time this guy here, this plain password, and now compare it with what is inside this user and our database. When you compare them, if they are the same, we let them go. If not, let's try it. Let's put another thing here. Use it now because it's not the same. This password, this plain password, and what is in our database, which is user, what's in our database is not the same. If they are the same, by the time this guy compare, a follow for look at it. As soon as test a password against a hash, we compare them, password to test, hash to test again, and return the promise. If they are correct, if not, this is what the big does. They compare the password. Use it now. So if it is correct, then it will return. If not, it will give an error. Let's try to. This is correct password. Let's try it again. Fine. Another thing I want you to know that once you are returning this guy, you can hide it again. How do you hide it? Let's put it this way. Can say dot minus select, not plus. Going to be minus, not plus. You minus the password, select minus, put in the bracket so that it will come with it. You can do the same thing. I'm showing you two ways to hide your password now. The first one is this one. You can do the same by saying dot, you can say dot, not linear, select, fast now, select. It's my pass, it's my AI is delaying my stuff. Don't be annoyed. Use it now. It's delaying it so that you want to be author. Either you use this undefined or select manus. It's both are doing the same work. Okay. Let's test it again. Maybe it add that password. It add it. Let's try it again. It's coming up. Let's send it again. Invalid, illegal argument, string undefined. String undefined. Let's go there. String undefined. Okay, if this one doesn't go, we can also come here and use this and use what? Undefined. Enter now. And use undefined by saying user dot password equal to undefined. Undefined, yes. Let's call it again. Login fail. Let's call it again. Let's send it again. Just that the password doesn't come with the payload. So at this junction, any question before we move further? Any question? Any question? Any question? Can you hear me?
No, sir.
All right.
Yes, I
So
can. No, sir.
no question. Okay. Another thing again, let's try to let me show you how we get how to then you want to view your profile, how to view the profile. We're going to write the endpoint, the logic to view a profile. And I said exports, exports x dot get, I would say get user profile, user profile equal to async, open bracket, time, is it our time?
Sir, the call will end in 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes. Okay, before that, I think
Yes, sir.
I can meet up. Okay, let's go. Rec res equal to slash calling breaks. Calling breaks. What I will do? What are you doing now? Okay, what I will do? Okay, the step to get this done, we need to make use of a midwell. We call it, there's a midway that will make, but before then, let's use only email for find this one. For let's make only email. Let's say let's make sure only email for now. So if we are proceeding to the master class, I will take you, I will show you everything in our master class. So let's make use of email to get the profile or to view the profile. Now say equal to rec dot body, rec dot body semicolon. And I said, this AI, you are not helping me because of network. And I said, cons, I'll need to validate this thing. You are not helping me. Network is not fast, so you are delaying my job. comes okay, fine. Network's not fasting, so you are delaying my job. Okay, fine. The AI have helped me out and helped me to add the password. Can say you are helping me to add the password too. The guy is trying to read my mind, but he's delaying my job because network's not fast enough. Okay, now let's quickly do this one. Let's go on. We copy this get user profile. We now go to our route, then now use what? Route dot get. This is now because we want to view this time around, we use get. And I said slash, let me paste that get user role. Where now for time is running. Then comma user controller, time is running, dot get URL. I paste it, then so it's coming up. Then we now let's go and test it by make use of what? Only email to view this profile. We now change this one to get user profile. Now change this method, get method to get. This HTTP method to get method. Okay, we now send it. We send it. So it's coming. Is it network or what? It's not returning. Why? Okay, fine. It's there. It take how many hours? Too long. 4 seconds. Too much. Network issue. It's our network. Let's send it again. It's our network. Should be something seconds. Use it now. So this is how to view the profile. But in our master class, I will show you how to use Midwell using JWT to view this profile without your email. It's our network. Oh. It's our network. Very slow. You can see it's taking longer than expected. Or let me see the logic, but I don't think the logic is the issue. Logic is not the issue. It's our network. It's our network. So it's there. It's our network. Take 44 seconds this time around. Use it now. And also it have add our password. Mary, can you see it? Our time has expired.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Yeah. So
I can see it.
when we move to our master class, I will show you how to make use of JWC to view without make use of this email. It's our network. The time should be seconds. The seconds about should be milliseconds, not seconds. This 44 seconds too much. Take a longer time. It should be milliseconds. It's because of the I'm using M10, so it's causing headache here. So that's all for now. Any question in our master class?
Yes, sir. This time stuff that I spoke about and I said for 4 seconds. Does
Yes,
it is it supposed to matter the amount of time it takes?
yes, it's supposed to matter because look at it now. Uh, for the first time, I'm see very fast now because our network is okay now. You can see now it's milliseconds now.
Okay.
Now, what I've built in this place now, what I've built here, eh? What I've built, this my logic, this my business logic. It takes seconds, milliseconds, very milliseconds to come up. But because two things involved, your internet you are using. You can see now because internet is back now very fast. Use it now, very fast. But if your network is taking time, the first time you are logging to my app, you are coming to my network, you are registering, it take a longer time to register or to come successful. You feel bored, say, what kind of network is this? What's that? What's happening? Meanwhile, you not think about your network, that maybe my Airtel or my network that is causing this. But you'll be thinking that it's my what? My app. So we would like to come back next time. You understand? So you mindful of this time, work with it. Do you understand? So do you get now?
Yes, sir. I get what you're saying.
So by in our master class, we take all these details, we talk about them as a back engineer. So what you are supply, what you are giving the front end guys to see, you must mindful of your time. Okay,
All right, sir.
yeah. So any
And sir,
questions?
yes, do you have the recordings of the previous class? I've not been able to attend. We are doing exam presently,
Oh,
so
oh,
I've not been able
oh.
to attend the previous one. So do you have recordings of it?
Yes, we have them. Let me show you. Our time, abi. We have it on the on a LMS. LMS, yeah, GitHub. Yes, we have it on LMS. I will show you. So if you have access to this LMS, then you can go there and check. Our network is very slow. How many minutes remain? 7 minutes. So we'll just log in. This network, I don't know what is happening to them. Do this now. This it now. Take time to log into this place because our network. Do it now. It take time.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for the first time now, I will say, what is happening? Okay, look at it. We have 7 classes plus this one. You make it what? 8. So you can let me see. Okay, classes. Then you can go there and check. See classes with here, classes, resources. This is a tutor dashboard. I don't know about how we're going to view it your own side. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. I'll
Yeah,
check. I'll check it, sir. I'll check it.
yeah. I have 7 class, plus this one going to be 8. All right, all right. Nice having you in the class today. Have a great weekend.
Okay.
All right, welcome.
And you too, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.